I did it! I did it! I got into Galway! I got into Galway! Wait, I got into Galway though.
Wait, what am I missing here? Why do you look not excited?
I applied thinking my chances were so slim, I didn't even consider signing up for the scholarship program. There's no way I can afford all this on my own.
So that's it then.
Do you know a way I can magically make the funds rain?
Yes, apply for Amberscholar scholarship. You know, the third edition is out now. And it's open till 31st of August. You have enough time to plan your application as well.
Not another essay, man. I can't get myself to write a whole boring SOP with a stale story.
So don't write one. Make a video or a podcast or a presentation or absolutely anything else. They are accepting literally whatever virtual format you want to showcase. Now it being a stale story, that is totally on you. That's not on them.
So you're saying I can make anything. You're saying I can make cookies.
Well, as long as you can visually present it, demonstrate your motivation and goals, showcase your academic and professional background while baking those cookies, and also show how and why you are fit and eligible for Amberscholar scholarship. You got it. Bake cookies.
Okay, I hear you. But what about it being a scholarship just for UK, USA, Canada and Ireland residents?
No, you've got it all wrong. It's a scholarship for anyone who wants to study at UK, USA, Canada, Ireland. You can very well be from any part of the globe as long as you are going to be studying at one of these 4 places. This scholarship is eligible for you.
But I've already applied and gotten in. Isn't it a little too late for me to apply?
The criteria is that you simply should be starting this September. There's nothing stopping you. Come on.
Okay, but
Excuses. So many excuses.
I swear this one is so valid. Just hear me out.
Okay.
Tuition and all is okay. I still have something planned out for that. What my genuine concern is are my day-to-day expenses of living there. I'm sure there's no scholarship for grocery shopping now, is there?
Actually,
No, there's no way.
if you win the Amberscholar scholarship, the prize money goes to your account. We basically want to ensure that you have the funds to pursue your study abroad dream comfortably. So yes, you are free to grocery shop with it, buy your books, or even commute with it. If that's what's stopping you financially from taking up this dream school. Listen, while you're at it, can you make a fresh bunch of vanilla chocolate?
I'm not going to make cookies. I'm going to make a hell of an opportunity for myself.
Well, we look forward to seeing you as well at the Amberscholar Scholarship September intake this 2024. Best of luck!